Welcome to Code Miraki. In this video we are going to learn quicksort. Quicksort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It works by selecting a pivot element from the array and partitioning the other elements into two subarrays according to whether they are less than or greater than the pivot. For this reason, it is sometimes called partition exchange sort. Let's jump into our online code editor. Let's take an array that we want to sort. We are taking random numbers. We will be calling a function with the name quicksort, and we will pass the array inside it. Also, we are going to store it in a variable. Let's say sorted array, and then we will print it. Alright, let's go ahead and create a function. Pass the array. So in this, what happens? I have to decide one pivot number. So I can take any number out of these numbers. Let's go ahead and take the first number. Sorry for the typo. Next step is I have to create left and right. So just say left. We can also write left half, or just left is enough. And then what I'm going to do is just type x for x in all the elements is starting from the one index, for example from here to here. So just type, and then I have to check if x is smaller than or equals to pivot. Next I have to create a right similar way. Right equals to x for x in array. Similar thing, but this time I have to check all the pivot elements that are greater than x. Last step is we have to return this. So we have to recursively call this function. So let's add quick sort. First we have to add left plus the pivot number plus, let's call this function once again with right argument. So this was the quicksort program. There is only one problem with this program, that is, in case the size of the array is less than or equals to 1, then what will happen in that case? For example, in this case, let's remove all these things. So now the size of array is 1. So in this case, we will be getting this error which says index error list index out of range. So to handle that, we have to create one base case wherein we will check if the length of array is greater than or equals to 1, then we should return the array then and there. Now what is happening in this case? Since the length of array is smaller than or equals to 1, it will go ahead and return the array. So here it will go ahead and return 23. So this is how we can handle this. With this we have completed the quicksort. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.